Welcome to Talk means Anysol Institute. It's 12th chemistry, very important questions of chapter 11th alcohol, phenols and ethers. We have uploaded all the important chapters, questions of all the chapters you can watch in our playlists. Okay, these are very short questions. After this there will be long questions. Firstly, you can see all these questions note down on your notebooks. That will be very helpful for your final exams. If you have any doubt, you can comment us in the comment box. You can pause the video if you want to see it for a long time. If you have any suggestion, then you can ask us freely. We can give you reply and we'll give you a solution of your every problem that you have or you are facing during your examinations. We have uploaded the physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology videos, lectures on our this channel. You can ask us for more videos if you want. Please take the screenshots if you want to see it later also. Please comment us in the comment box if you have any suggestion or if you want to ask anything from us. Our physical classes, our 12th classes are going to start now, and 11th classes also for chemistry, mathematics, biology and physics. I Love Jeet Singh will personally tell you how to do exams. Our latest video will be uploaded soon for how to do exams. It will be very helpful for you. Please watch our all videos to get good marks in your final exams. Please share this video to others also, so that all will be helped by you, so that God will help you on your exams. So do prayer, don't fear about exams, do hard work. Okay then, thank you.